Welcome back, everybody. It's the middle of summer. It's hot. The griddle more tour is over. I want something simple. I want to make a hot dog. I love hot dogs, but we hardly ever make them. Let me know down below what you like on your hot dogs or what your favorite brand of hot dogs is. Whatever, let me know. And we're going to do it today. We're going to make some beautiful summer hot dogs. I like all beef hot dogs. Picked these up at the grocery store. Pretty cool. Ballpark, Grill Master, uncured, no nitrates, no fillers, all that good stuff. Get whatever kind you like. You could get turkey hot dogs, I suppose. I've always liked all beef hot dogs. This should be enough for the whole family. I'm using that Blackstone 28-inch XL smoker griddle combo. One piece of advice I'd give you for hot dogs is keep the temperature low. In this case, I'm gonna go on low, and I'm actually gonna keep my left burner off. It's one of the things I like about having a Blackstone with more than one burner. It gives you more variables to do that, more options to do that. You could have two burners on, one off, one burner on, and two off, so on and so forth. Avocado oil, that's been my go-to the past couple of years. We'll start out with some onions. Onions are always a good topping for hot dogs. Picked up some barbecue sauce at the grocery store, using that cool Blackstone basting pot. Put that barbecue sauce in the basting pot, a little bit of Blackstone Essential Blend in with my onions, down with my hot dogs. My theory on low temperature is put them on low and keep them rolling. You go to a convenience store and you get a hot dog, right? Most times they're less than desirable, right? We don't do that very often. But I think about those rollers. What a cool invention. You go to a gas station, they're always raw. It's not good. But thinking about that in my mind, it makes perfect sense. So I like to keep the hot dogs rolling with a set of tongs, rolling across the griddle for even cooking. Put a little bit of my avocado oil down on the hot dogs. And since day one, I've been seasoning my dogs. And you wouldn't believe how much feedback I've received from my viewers telling me, thank you for telling me about seasoning my hot dogs. I like to use salt, pepper, and garlic. So either do salt, pepper, and garlic, use SPG or Essential Blend. But I'm telling you, it takes your hot dogs to the next level. Then just roll them like I told you earlier. Use those tongs and check it out. Low temp. Oh my goodness. Keep the temperature under control. Turn a burner off if you have to. I'm also gonna season the second side. Onions are looking good. Since I work in the cooking industry, I work in the food industry, things are different for me. I cook for a living. Sometimes I just don't wanna be cooking elaborate recipes. Sometimes I just want hot dogs. Sometimes I just want grilled cheese. So today, this is gonna be so much fun. Some people ask me, how long do I cook the hot dogs or what internal temperature do I want to get? Remember that they're pre-cooked. So, I mean, you could eat them raw. When I was a kid, it's disgusting looking back on it, but when I was a kid back in the 70s and early 80s, I remember eating them frozen out of the freezer. So you could eat them raw. So it depends on what your personal tastes are. I like them to be blazing hot inside. It's another reason why I like that low temp, because I can keep rolling and rolling, ensuring that the inside is just super hot. Buns. The last 2 years, I think I did 3 hot dog videos, and you saw me make my better buns. That's where I took the loaves of Italian bread, French bread, and made my own bun. Kind of fed up with traditional enriched hot dog rolls from the store. These are really cool. I picked these up this morning. St. Pierre has these beautiful brioche buns, and they're split down the center. Gonna place these down in my grease. I'm not gonna season them. I have seasoned them before, it's a great idea, but you can see I have little pieces of that Essential Blend and the oil down there. It's gonna be perfect. Give these a flip after a minute. Woo, there we go. A little bit of color, that's what I'm after. They're already hot to the touch. Be careful. If you're using your bare hands, you might want to use heat-resistant gloves or tongs. Time to pull my rolls. Look at that. Perfect. Nice amount of color. Grab some of those beautiful sauteed onions over here into my barbecue sauce. Grab hot dog number 1. Look how nice that top cut bun is. It's all about the presentation. Same concept with these buns as I was talking about with my better buns. Beautiful, they don't fall over. Oh my goodness, I could take a look at that already, but we haven't topped them yet, so let's go. Put whatever you want on the hot dog. Where I grew up, it was ketchup and mustard together. Sauerkraut, my goodness. Also a lot of sauerkraut on hot dogs where I came from as well. You know, and I used to heat up my sauerkraut, but watching some online nutrition experts, they say if you're using the sauerkraut for prebiotic purposes, you never want to heat it up because it kills all those properties. So lesson learned, we're gonna go with cold sauerkraut. I like dill relish. I also like sweet relish, but look what I found at the grocery store today. Are you kidding me? Grillo's pickles, pickle de gallo. As soon as I read that, I grabbed it, didn't even look at the price. Oh my goodness. A little bit of pickle de gallo. Oh man. Growing up, my dad was all about the spicy mustard. This was his favorite. Down with some spicy mustard. Woo! And now for the traditional dill relish, because I know some of you out there are saying, come on, don't forget about my tradition. Now that beautiful barbecue sauce. Mustard only. All the kids I know, they're ketchup only, Heinz ketchup, born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where yours truly was born. And this one's gonna be sauerkraut and mustard together. We'll do the sauerkraut and the spicy mustard. Found this in my travels the other day. Oh my goodness. It's an everything bagel seasoning with jalapeno. And take a look at that. A delicious tray of summer hot dogs. Of course, you don't need to make these in the summer. Allow me to cleanse my palate. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I want one of everything, but the pickle de gallo is calling my name. When I saw that product, I'm telling you what, you wouldn't have believed how quickly I snatched it off the shelf. Let's give it a try. Sauteed onion, barbecue sauce, and the everything bagel jalapeno. Let's give it a try. My favorite growing up, ketchup and mustard. I haven't eaten yet today, so forgive me. Oh my goodness. Don't have hot dogs much anymore. There was a point earlier in my life where I probably had hot dogs at least once a week, probably every 3 months now, 3 to 4 months. I don't have them very often. I was craving hot dogs as I was thinking about Independence Day and summertime. So hopefully you enjoyed this trip down memory lane with hot dogs. Again, let me know down below what you like. Maybe there's a certain kind of hot dog or frank that you like, a certain kind of topping. Maybe there's another kind of mustard I don't know about. Let us all know down below. Share those comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sure do appreciate it. No recipes associated with this. I think we can all put condiments on hot dogs by ourselves without a recipe. Hey, make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network because we have so many people making so many amazing shows. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the hot dogs.